Manggis. The height is 20, I think 60 feet. Large tree. I don't know. I will search the scientific name. So there are two kinds of manggis. The other one is here. See? And the crown, the other one. With a diameter of at least, I think, 2 meters. Manggis. I will search the scientific name of manggis. But the problem, if this road will be widened later, this will be affected. So at least 2.5 meter in diameter at first height. Of course, there is a buttress, but along that line, 2 meters diameter. So manggis. Ha? This is manggis. How many meter? I think the estimate is 2 meters in diameter. Is it right? So the other one. Manggis. Okay. Okay. Ano? Laki oh. Oh. Pit.
Ito binabahayan di ba ng ano, sir?
Ng
Kupitan?
oh. Paano yun akyat yan, no?
Ano, sir, yung yuntok?
Ah, yan to.
Ganyan nila dyan, no?
Oh. Galing. Laki nga. So, laki. So, oh. Uy, ganda. Ang pag YouTube kasi pa landscape. Pag yan pang ano, pang reels to, pang YouTube ano.